Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we cleaned out a barn, and this came with it. This is a 1974 H1 Kawasaki. The motor needs a complete rebuild on the bottom, I'm sure. It's missing everything. So basically what you're buying here right now is the frame and the motor. Everything you see comes with it, and we can ship this to Vintage Days this year of 2023. So if you pay for it in full, it can be shipped. What you see is what we have. The frame looks like it's decent, but it's a start. It's definitely a start. So we may be selling off parts of it if you just want parts, whatever. But we'd sell the as is for $500, and we would ship it to Vintage Days, or possible low-cost shipping available on request depending on where you live. All right, well, thanks for looking at our stuff.